Machine learning in Microsoft Azure. Machine learning provides Azure machine learning services. It's a cloud-based platform for creating, managing, and deploying the application. So what are the features of machine learning in Microsoft Azure? First is automated machine learning. Automated machine learning feature simply enables a beginner person or non-expert person to quickly create an effective machine learning model from the data, and it is beginner-friendly. Second is Azure Machine Learning Designer. It is a simple graphical interface. By this feature, no-code development of machine learning solution is possible. The third is data and compute management. It's a cloud-based data storage. By this feature, the data scientists run the data experiment code at scale. Now, anomaly detection on AI. It identifies suspicious logins by looking derivations from the normal activities. It identifies suspicious behavior by detecting many failed logins attempts. It detects the unusual activity which is happening in the system. So if is there any unusual activity or new activity or trying to log in again and again, so it just detects and puts in spam, like it detecting fraud credit card transactions in banking system. Computer vision in AI. We'll get to know about image classification, object detection, image analysis, semantic segmentation, face recognition, and OCR. So first we have image classification. In this feature, we train the machine learning model for classifying images based on their contents. As we can see the taxi, first we provide images to a model, then we labeled it, and then it identifies that which vehicle is it, like taxi, bus, or cycle. Object detection. In this model is trained to classify every object within an image and identify their location within bounding box. Semantic segmentation. It is an advanced machine learning technique. In this, every pixel in this image are classified according to the object by which they belong. As we can see that different objects are colored with differently, like buses are with red, cars with blue, and cycle with green color. Image analysis. In this, we combine the machine learning models with advanced images analysis technique. This is helpful to extract information from any image, or we can say that it gives descriptive caption. Face detection, analysis, and recognition. It detects the faces from the image and can be combined with classification and facial geometry. It recognizes individuals based on their face features. Next is OCR. So it is a technique which is used to detect the written text. It is used to read text in photographs and extract information from scanned document, like we can see. Text is not visible clearly in image, but it generated a caption for that.